We know what is happening. Pero hindi naman po namin mandato na makialam sa politika. No? That is not our mandate.
Kaya pala sobrang tahimik mo, General Browner.
This is our chair for APO and our APO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350, that's not only been affirmed, but it's been approved and it's being signed right now, and we will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please step up.
Ang kausap ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez ay si General Browner. Sa kanan ni Martin ay si Congressman Dipe ng Zamboanga at sa kaliwa ay si Sandy Ko.
Whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as a speaker at the House, when we speak, we mean it, that we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the men in the AFP, top priority po kayo. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year. So, thank you. Thank you.
Po kami bulag o hindi rin kami pingin. We know what is happening. Pero hindi naman po namin mandato na makialam sa politika. No? That is not our mandate. And sa nakikita naman po natin, umaandar naman po yung democratic processes. No? Nagkakaroon ng mga hearing. In fact, sabi nga ng mga tao, yung nangyari sa Senado na nagpalit ng liderato. No? Nanonood rin lang kami, but then somebody said that that is democracy working for us. Nakakalungkot nga, pati yung picture ko ginamit para manghikayat ng mga Pilipino na sumama sa mga rallies na mangyayari sa June 12 o kahit na anong mga rallies pa. No? Sana po ay wag na nilang gawin yun, gamitin yung imahe ng Armed Forces of the Philippines para manghikayat. May mga nag-text rin sa akin na nagtatanong kung totoo nga ba na bumaliktad na ang Armed Forces of the Philippines. Hindi po totoo yun. No? We remain to be a united, disciplined, and professional force.